There are American heroes who don't like this idea. Neil Armstrong, Gene Cernan have both testified against commercial spaceflight and the way that you're developing it, and I wonder what you think of that.
Those guys are heroes of mine, so it's really tough. No, I wish they would come and visit and see the hardware that we're doing.
The only way that we're going to end up with a silo of advanced technologies is if we build it.
No man can fully grasp how far and how fast we have come. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
Sight to